Hey there, just wanted to shoot a real quick instructional video on how to use the RCB Power Pull Kit. This is a bullet pulling kit. It comes not only with this hammer here and your cap, but it also comes with these 3 different chucks. Now they have little lines engraved on the back of them, kind of probably hard to see. So they've got 2 lines on it. That one's got 1 line engraved on it, and then the one that we're using today has no lines on it. The difference between the 3 has to do with the size of bullet that you're using, that you're trying to pull. Now you may ask yourself, well, why would I need a bullet puller? A variety of reasons. You know, if you're taking apart a factory bullet and you're trying to figure out what their secret concoction is, what kind of powder they're using, grainage, all that sort of stuff. Or maybe you have a bullet that's in a cartridge, you're like, you know what, I don't really like the overall makeup of the cartridge, but I would like to use that bullet. Or maybe you're in a situation like me. I loaded these ones up. My resizing die was turned just slightly off, and when it reshaped it, it caused it to headspace differently than it ought to have. And so these ones, I'm taking them apart so I can salvage some of the parts. So you just take them, put the bullet in the hole, just kind of slip it around until you got it right here on the rim. You slide that bad boy in here, screw the lid on good and tight. You can't really see it all that well on camera-ish, but see right there, it looks kind of gray and fluffy as a piece of felt, so that when I'm going to show you in a minute, I'm going to bang this thing like a hammer, and this bullet will drop down. It'll come with a certain amount of force. It takes a certain amount of centrifugal force to make it get going, but that felt down there will create a padding so that it won't destroy the bullet, so you can reuse it. And you can even reuse the powder if you like to, and if you believe you can remove the primer without igniting it, hey, that's you. Alright, I'm going to bring you in for a closer look here. First of all, you find yourself a nice non-metallic surface to beat this piece of plastic on, and you go with some nice even strokes. Don't slam it so hard, and you all of a sudden it drops down. Open her up. See, you just got the case and the chuck now. I keep a little container like this to just dump the bullet and the powder in. And that way, you pull the bullet, put it back in there, and if you're saving the powder, got enough for about a charge there. Alright, well that's how you use a bullet puller. I just figured I'd make the video because when I bought this, I looked online immediately to see whether anybody else had an instructional video. I didn't see any, so there you go. God bless you. Go take your mountain.